When I grow up, I want to make robots that help animals and people.
I would like to be a mom.
I want to be, when I grow up, is to be a policeman.
I want to be an astrophysicist.
My name is Zoe. I want to be a nurse.
You begin school excited to discover who you are and what you're good at. But how do you get where you want to go in life? And how do you know whether you will even like it when you get there? CTE classes in middle school and high school are here to help you explore the possibilities.
Right now, I think I want to be a chef.
Go ahead, try it out with culinary arts.
I want to be a dancer and an actor when I grow up.
Start learning your craft in the audio, video, stage, tech program.
When I grow up, I want to be an artist.
I want to be a video game designer.
I want to be a Navy SEAL.
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher and then a principal.
Architect, electrician.
Whatever you love, whatever you're good at, we've got a CTE program for that. Computer science, health science, business marketing, human science, Navy science, skilled trades.
I want to be a fighter pilot. I think it's exciting because airplanes are very cool.
Yep, there's even a CTE program for that. CTE classes are here to help your dreams take flight. With hands-on classes that get you ready for life like nothing else in school can, CTE is where you learn if the path you dream about is the path for you. And with certifications and even college credit in some cases, these classes can get you where you want to go faster, while you have tons of fun along the way. CTE is the intersection of what you like and what you're good at. CTE is career readiness.